Hi guys, welcome to Learn at Home. I am Siddharth and today I am going to explain you how the selector switch programming is working. Here you can see a selector switch which is working in three operations mode: operation mode A, operation mode B and operation mode C. In each and every operation mode the simulation will work differently. In operation mode 1, here you can see, simply download this program, go to run mode. Now when I press the start button, here you can see the box is placed under the silo, the proximity is sensed, the solenoid valve is operated. When the level is high, level is completed, the box is goes off the conveyor and new box is placed again beneath the silo. So when I change this mode to B mode, here you can see the box is placed under the silo, the solenoid valve is operated. Now when the level is full, fill uh, level is full, but the box is remain there. When I press the start button, the box goes over the conveyor. Once again a new box is placed and now box is again full. It is held here until I press the start button again. So in second mode, in B mode, we have to press start button every time for moving the box ahead. In C mode, here you can see nothing will happen, only the conveyor is running. Whether the proximity is coming or not, the box is not going to stop. So how this programming is working, we are going to understand. Here you can see in our first run, a run memory is created with the help of a binary bit. When I press the start button, this run memory will be high, and this, with the help of this run memory, we will run the conveyor. Here you can see the interlocks. How these interlocks are working. Whenever the box reaches the proximity, here you can see a proximity high signal is generated and the conveyor is stopped. When the full memory is triggered high, this conveyor will run again. This circuit will follow. With the selection B, this full memory bypass will be bypassed and this interlock will work. With the help of selection B output, this conveyor will run. We will understand this in next run. How the solenoid valve is working, we can understand here in this run. With the help of run memory, we can run the solenoid valve with these interlocks. If the run memory is high, proximity is high, it means box is under the silo and the conveyor is stopped, then the solenoid valve will open. And when the level is full, this solenoid valve will shut off immediately. In next run, as you can see, a full memory is placed. Why this is placed, I explained it in our previous video. Because when the box is completely filled and we use the level sensor for moving this box forward, when it's moved forward from the level sensor, the proximity is also present there. So we have to give a box to memory so the box full will be passed. When the box is filled and it passes through the proximity, the conveyor will not stop. So we give it a full memory which is going to reset with the help of this proximity. So the when the box is passed through the proximity, the full memory will be reset. In our next run, here you can see this is the selection B output. Now I am going to change this to selection B. Here you can see our run memory is high, selection B is high, proximity V is high because the box is here, full memory is high because the box is filled completely. Now we have to simply give the start it again, so the selection B output will be high. With the help of selection B output, here you can see in this run memory is high, your selection B output will high, then the conveyor will move again. So This memory will have to hold this box here until we press the start button. Now in the rest of program we are going to use these indication. So how we are using these indication, with the help of run memory I am going to give the run LED indication. With the help of solenoid valve I am going to give the fill LED indication, and with the help of full memory I am going to give the full LED indication. One more thing which is important here, that the proximity high binary bit. As you can see over here, everywhere the proximity signal is not used, because proximity signal is I colon 1 slash 03, and here you can see here is a binary bit. Why I use this? I use this for operating this in C mod. Why? In C mod, you know that this proximity is not going to work, so we have to bypass this proximity. But in A mod, this proximity have to work, so we have to give a substitute where we can change the proximity whether working or not. So we use this binary weight for our function. As you can see, when I press this, change this mod to C mod, the proximity state will not affect the binary weight proximity high, so the box will not stop anywhere. If the box will not stop, this solenoid valve will not work, this level sensor will not work, and this conveyor will run continuously. So that is all for this programming. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching.